So next up, I'd like to introduce Casey Durad and Mike Doyle from Space Northwest to come up to talk about a new initiative called the Space Industrial Council. Over to you guys.
Thank you. The sick. We're laughing because I figured do you want to just stand up here? Yeah. Mike Doyle is sharing with me. See if you could put the slides. So we have a new Space Industrial Council. And what we wanted to do was to make sure, first of all, New Space Nexus is very honored to lead a lot of these workshops and really watch over the space industrial base, how things are getting going. But we saw a need this year to expand the love and really just bring in other industry partners with us to help us. So we're excited that the initial establishment will have the Small Sat Alliance, Space Florida, Space Northwest, which Mike will talk in a second, AIA, NDIA, Space Foundation, the Space Industry Association, Satellite Industry Association, and the Atlantic Council. So pretty good start. And we had the honor of working with Space Northwest this year and to lead the workshop, which you're going to hear about that, how that went tomorrow from Mike and Stan in the morning. And then we also, for the second year, that helped Space Florida run the launch working group. So next slide. Anyways, I don't know if Mike, you want to talk about just a little bit of how we could talk about the mission and vision and so on, but just a little bit about how it's been to be brought in.
Yeah, from our perspective, I mean, it's been a real honor and a fantastic journey getting involved in SSIB and putting on the workshop in Seattle, being here. The reason that Space Northwest exists is to maximize the potential of the Pacific Northwest and its contribution to humanity's journey to space. And I think this program is really mission aligned with that. And we talk about connection, and we'll talk about that more tomorrow. This is a fantastic opportunity for us to connect with beyond the region, as well as connect beyond the region to us. And I'm really excited to sit on this council and help drive how it grows, how it improves, how it fulfills its mission over time.
Right. And the very first year we did the Space Industrial Base Conference, it was Peter Wagner that said, hey, New Space New Mexico at the time, you're all about trying to support the space industry. So you need to be part of this. So like I said, it was an honor to be part of it, but it's a big job to really make sure that we're tracking, we're enabling, we're being part of these recommendations that come out to really follow like what's needed to really clear the way of obstacles and help the space industrial base stay strong and grow. So that's why we wanted to kind of open up the tent. I think it's going to be great. This group will interface with the key partners. Right now we work with the Space Force. It's led a lot by, of course, our leader, Bucky, and the DIU team. But we have Air Force Research Lab. We're looking at NASA being a key partner. But so this is meant to be sort of like that industry interface. So anyways, that's kind of how we're getting going. We'll see how it goes. And we hope that it will really just be something that will help enable and support the space industrial base.
Looking forward to it.
Any questions? That's it.